Friends, here we are going to see how to run Python script on your Windows operating system or on Linux operating system, right? Or any other Unix like systems. First, let me go with Windows operating system. So already we know from our previous videos how to run Python script on your Windows operating system, and that too from command line, guys. So if you want to run your Python script from GUI editors, in GUI editor itself you have an option to run your Python script. But first of all, we are going with command line. Later, after some time, we will see how to use Python script in GUI editors or how to run your Python script using your GUI editors. For time being, we are going to work with from command line. Let me open my Windows command line first. So from our previous videos, already we have some Python script under this location. Let me enter into that and see some Python scripts are there. Let me take simply usage of let me take a simple example. Type simply hello. This is one Python script, right? So if you want to run Python script from Windows, first thing you have to check it whether Python space hyphen hyphen version. If it is working, then directly you can run Python, then your script name. Sometimes if you run Python, right, let's say something like this, and if you run, so you will get Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. Of course, I have given some wrong name, but sometimes if you run in this way, Python space hyphen hyphen version, this command, you will get this output. So at that time, how you can run means nothing is there. Just simply provide complete path of your Python where you install your python.exe. You will get your output. Or simply copy this path. If you want to work like this, what you have to do is just to go to your C, right? Then there, just C local disk. So where you install your Python 3.7. So here you have Python, right? Copy this path, and click on this PC properties. So this is on your Windows, guys. Advanced system settings, environment variables, path. You can edit this path. So already I added that, right? That's why I don't need to add any extra path. If you want to add once again, you can add it. It's simply new in this way. But already we have that Python 3.7. Just simply I'm canceling. So once if you add your path here, then by reopening your terminal, your Python will work in this way, Python space hyphen hyphen version. So if you get in this way, now you are ready to run your Python script from your Windows operating system, from command line of your Windows operating system in this way. Simply Python space your Python script. So that is very simple to run your Python script on your Windows operating system. Let me take same Python script where we have that, and I'm going to copy this to your Unix like systems. Now this is my Unix like system. Let's say, see that what is my operating system, uname, right? Now what I am doing is, let me create here also some Python scripts. So this is my Linux box terminal, guys. Sorry, what happened? Bash mkdir. I'm not sure why it was happened. No problem. Just now we created called Python scripts. Let me enter into that. So we don't have anything. Let me create simply. So guys, just observe that whether VI is there or not. Yes, it is there. VIM is there or not. Both are there. You can use either vi or VIM editors on your Unix like systems. Now I am using VIM, because if you use VIM, no, it will give some colors. Simply I am writing hello world.py and something I am pasting your lines. So already we have this code from your Windows operating system. Now guys, after writing your Python script, just check it whether you have Python or not. So simply Python, by default you will get any one of the Python version on your Unix like systems. That's why if you run Python, you are getting some 2.7. Whatever it may be, any version. So already we know how to install Python 3 on your Unix like systems. I already installed and we have one video for that, right? Just go through that, how to install your Python 3, right? Now I want to run my Python script using Python 3. Simply Python 3 space your script name. This is one way. If you want to run your Python script using Python 2, simply Python space script name. Guys, this is on your Unix like systems. Don't get confused. Guys, this is one way. I mean, the same way how you are running your Python script on your Windows operating system. So now, as of now, whatever we discussed, I mean, to run your Python script, this is the common procedure on your Windows as well as Unix like systems. But in your Unix like systems, you have one extra procedure also to run your Python scripts. What is that means? So before writing your Python script, just check it which Python 3 you are having. This is the location, right? Copy that. Open your script. Very first line, just mention in this way, hash exclamatory, then your path where your Python is there. After that, just to provide execution permission for your file. Now you can run your script in this way, /hello world.py. No need to provide Python space, because already inside of our script, very first line we mentioned about Python, which Python you want to use to run your script. You're getting output now. Observe your script, right? So we mentioned, so here you can mention whatever the Python you need to run your lines. So I want Python 3 to run my code. That's why very first line with this symbol hash exclamatory, I am mentioning my Python path, and this line is called shebang line. The purpose of this line is you are mentioning an interpreter, which interpreter you are going to use to run your Python script. That's it, right? So if you want to use some any extra other Python, which actually we mentioned some default Python version inside of your script, right? Like Python 3. I don't want to use Python 3. I want to use Python 2. Then simply externally you can mention Python and then your hello. It will also works. If you mention inside of your script, you will take that one. If you don't mention, you can run from outside. Even though if you mention from outside, we'll take this Python. That's it. Okay. So guys, on your Unix like systems, anyway, you know the common procedure for your Windows as well as Linux. Simply Python, required Python, then script name. But on Unix like systems, this is the best way. That is, first find which Python you want. If you want to go with Python 2, just type which Python, or Python 3. So whatever the path you are getting, right? Let's say some script hello.py. So very first line mention your which Python 3 output, that is location of your Python, and this line is called shebang line. Okay, just comment that line, shebang line. So the purpose of shebang line is which type of interpreter you are using to run the lines which are there in your code. Let's say simply print hello. This is also one simple Python script just to display hello. So after this, what you have to do is just to provide execution permission for your file, whatever the script you have, then run hello.py. Okay, so guys, here I am providing / because I am running from the current location where my Python script is there. So here my Python script is there, that's why I'm running / hello. Suppose you are in the home location, you are in the different location and your Python script is there in the different location. At that time, if you want to run your Python script from any one of your path, what you have to do is you have to provide complete path. That's it. So if you are in the location of where your Python is there, here we don't have Python, right? If you don't have Python script in this location, then you have to run always your Python script by providing your complete path, or just enter into your required location where you have your Python. From there you can run simply dot slash, right? So guys, this is the way how you can run your Python scripts on your Windows and Unix like systems. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.